Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Today it's a non-garage or car related video. I'm going to go and try and adjust my composite front door. So you can see it's catching at the top there. Okay, it's quite easy to adjust. So first thing you need to do, open the door. These are the hinges. Okay, just slacken off this positive drive screw. Not a lot, just slacken it off. There's one on each hinge. Okay. And then come back inside. You'll need a 4mm Allen key. And you just pop off this little, it's like a blanking, one of those, just pop that off with a little screwdriver. And what you want to do, now if you want the door to go that way, so look at the gap there, it's quite big. So if you want the door to go that way, you need to do this anti-clockwise. Okay, hopefully you'll see this move. So, it's quite hard to do it one-handed. Right, that's it. Now watch this, look. So do this. Come on. Probably can't see it on camera. But you can see the gap there. Let's do the top one. The top one's the worst one. You can see that's better already, look. Needs a bit more. There you go, it's loads better, look. I think I locked myself out. Damn, I haven't got any keys. But there you go. Do this one a little bit more. And the bottom one. Big at the bottom there anyway. Right, so I've adjusted those up now. Just remember to redo these up. Bottom on. Tight now. So a nice even gap on the top, and the door shuts perfectly. Hope you like the quick video. Please comment, like, think about subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, it's cold today.